Hi! Today I want to read the book Bringing the Rain to Kapiti Plain. Today we're going to just look at the pictures and tell the story by reading what we see in the pictures. Are you ready? Bringing the Rain to Kapiti Plain. This takes place in Africa. What do you see? I see giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4 giraffe. And I see a leopard. Do you see his spots? It's a leopard. What else do you see on this page? Let's see what comes next. Oh, the grass is starting to look a little brown. I see zebras. 1, 2, 3 zebras. There's the leopard. And there are still 1, 2, 3, 4 giraffe. I see lots of birds in the sky. What do you see? Wow, what is this big dark up here? Do you know what that is? It's a cloud. Inside of cloud is water. When it falls, we call it rain. That is a big cloud. And we still see animals down here. Do you see them? There's trees. That is a big cloud. Will it share the rain? Will it share water? Oh, now the grass is all brown. It's thirsty. It needs water. Will the big cloud share? Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cow. Do you see the cows? What are they doing? Do you see their tongues sticking out? What do they want? They want what the cloud has. They want water. Please, cloud. Please share your water. Oh, this is Kipat. Hi, Kipat. Hi, Kipat. He is watching over the cows and can see the cows really need water. And the grass really needs water. It is brown. We want grass to be green. Oh, that is a big eagle. Do you see all of his feathers? He dropped a feather. Where's Kipat? There's Kipat. He's still watching the cows who are asking the cloud, please share water. We are thirsty. There's the eagle. There's the big cloud. What else do you see? He's made a bow, and he uses the feathers to make arrows. Whoa! Lightning. Lightning comes with thunder. Boom, boom. It's loud. And yay! There's the water. There are the water drops. It is raining. Yay! The rain is coming. Do you see the rain? Yes. I see the grass turning green. I see the cows drinking the water. Yay! The cloud shared. Oh, wow. That is a big difference. Now the grass is green. The cows are happy. There's Kipot. There's a mommy. Do you see the baby? Safe in mommy's arms. The end. I hope you liked that book. Bye.